Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing a back patio with some stairs and a small front porch. Stick around for the tear out, the excavation, my favorite part, the pour. We're going to be doing it in 2 pours, so it should come out really nice. The front will be re-shine borders and all that good stuff. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye-bye. All right, guys, there it is. Pour went well. We poured at 6:30 in the morning. Poured at about a 4 slump. What do you think, guys? Did a little reshine border. Cause why not, you know? Now let's go check out the back. So here's the patio. It's good to go. There's gonna be a step up here. Got a few inches of base in here. Very well compacted. Road base is laid down. We got these new mats instead of using plywood. Those should last us about 15-20 years. No more dealing with plywood. Here are the steps. They came out super sweet with the landing. There it is, guys. So we're gonna skip a day. Tomorrow we're gonna come pop the form off between the slab that's here and the big patio, and then Friday morning we will be pouring this at 6:30. It should come out well. So far everything's been working out. We're very happy with it. See you at the next pour, guys. Bye bye. Exacto. Y hay gente tonta que eso piensa. Que eso que es Miguel. Hasta Jaimito lo dice. Usted y a mí el otro me dice, ¿qué? ¿Qué va? ¿Qué? ¿Qué piensa que no tratamos con tu gente? Primo de un amigo, dice más. Primo de un amigo, Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So the job came out great. We poured at 6:30 in the morning, 0.5% calcium. By 9:30, this stuff was already broomed, good to go. Came out beautiful. So I saw cut this joint. I wasn't really gonna cut it, but I said better safe than sorry, and it's such a long joint, so saw cut just comes out straighter. We pulled the rest, came out really good. Hope you guys like what you see. And then we did the steps and this first, so everything's looking really clean. Look at that super straight line. Ooh wee, look at that. Came out gorgeous. So thanks for stopping by, guys. So next week we are doing a driveway with 1 step, and then after that we're taking an 11-day vacation. Gonna take some time off, but everything came out good. As long as next week's job comes out good too, we'll ride off into our vacation. We're all happy and not worried about anything. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. See you guys next week. Bye-bye.